Yo, 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 everybody. New York City flooding, right? I'm not sure. I haven't seen. I just barely got on right now. Need to check Twitter for that. Good morning, Rob.
So what's going on?
Salva is bouncing. I don't know if you're gonna get your 51 today. I,
I after reading your thing, I was like, I ain't no way it's going to 45, but I changed it to 48, and I'm pretty damn sure I ain't gonna get it at 48.
it's bouncing at 53 right now. Today might be another bounce day, but still not looking too healthy. Let's see. Zoom. Let's
Yeah,
see.
I'll wait. I can wait.
They're dropping AMC again this morning, 43.70s
But did you see the article yesterday?
on GameStop.
No, on AMC, dude.
Oh, the 80%.
Yes, I was like, damn, that's harsh. That sounds like I wrote that damn thing. But I mean, that's before we found out, or before we started thinking about it being the tied in with all the swaps.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, on fundamentals alone, yeah, okay, there's no way this valuation's right. But with all the bullshit going on, the fuckery going on, okay, you know what? Let's just let it run. Go, hurt them bad.
Let it run, man. I thought you were talking about the GameStop article about the one that
Oh,
says
I didn't.
GameStop is unstoppable. That's another one.
Oh, I didn't even bother to read that one because I already know that.
If you think about it, the sentiment is like the opposite of now. Instead of being FUD articles, now they're talking about the moon and whatnot, you know? These stocks are unstoppable, and
Well,
isn't that weird?
well, yes and no. I mean, what they're doing right there is that they're just playing games. Um, yeah, they're sitting there trying to play head games, psychological games with AMC apes and GME apes and BlackBerry apes. It's all a big mind game. I would use a different word, but I have a feeling we're online and live right now.
Yeah. Oh, we're live, yeah. Oh, we're of course, yes. Let's pull it up.
Oh, Workhorse took a. That's,
Wow, they're really hitting AMC this morning. We're not seeing the typical rally we see at open right here. Unless it might be early. We might retest the 43 right now. Let's see. Let me set an alert on this right here near the lows. I'm also interested to see how these other stocks like SPRT are doing. 25 BBIG was another one. $9. Go back to AMC, 43.50s. See where we get a nice bounce off of. I'll possibly wait for a dip by a 43. I'm gonna be patient. 8 dead in New York
on work
City.
on Workhorse,
No, on
really?
AMC, on
Yeah.
AMC, on AMC. You're, you're on a good one. You're
I was gonna
trolling.
say, damn, you're paying. You're, you're way overpaying.
40 was actually like the all-time high. Salva 50 above 53. Wow, Salva 53.80. Impressive.
I know
Salva
that
just cannot crack
yesterday
50.
it can't make up its damn mind.
Yeah, it doesn't want to crack 50, but doesn't want to move up. Let's not jinx it, because
Me,
today it might crack 50, and it will be like, oh, what do you know? Robertson to get his order
hey,
filled.
yeah, exactly. If it cracks 50, I'm celebrating.
All right, look, AMC still pulling back. 43, 40, 43 coming inbound. That's the line of least resistance is 43, which happens to be the low of yesterday, 43.05. Workhorse short interest data on Ortex. It is stating dun, 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 dun,
You never answered Eric's question, did you? Because
37%.
he asked you that yesterday.
Oh, he asked me in Discord. I was too lazy to get up. I hit leg day and my legs were super, super hurting. Not even sore. It's
Uh,
not even a sore. It's like a pain. Good morning, C3D. Yeah, the workhorse short interest is 37.99. Here you go. AMC 37.20. We'll wait for 43. Where I'm still seeing blood here on the times and sales. If anybody wants me to check their tickers for short interest on Ortex, just type it in the chat. But I will secretly charge you $10 every time you tell me to check the SI. Oh, 43.12. We're still pulling back. This
how are
stock,
you going to secretly change them?
I was just messing around. Utilization is 100%. Oh, skills has always been a high SI. It's bouncing already. AMC's bouncing. Let's see if it sustains this bounce. That's going to be key today. Let's see how strong these rips are and how strong they sustain. GameStop is also following AMC on the way back down to 200. Skills SI, 21%. What's going on with the Michael Burry and Kathy Wood drama? We're still seeing drama?
Yeah, I would imagine so. I mean, come on, after that one article, and I can't remember who wrote it, but about the extra 100 million shares of oh God, what was it? Oh crap, the bonds, the convertible bonds. That's what it was.
Uh-huh.
And she just totally, her whoever did her analysis, totally just threw out fake numbers. The numbers, there's no way the numbers add up.
On Tesla.
Yeah, I mean, she got from what we actually currently have, and then on top of that, they're going to have an additional 100, or, yeah, excuse me, 200 or 300 million shares short.
They didn't
So it's
factor
just
that
like, are
in.
you? No, they didn't. So it's just like, are you serious? How can you mess that up that badly?
SPY 453. We're so close to a new all-time high. We saw 12 all-time highs in August. September isn't looking that bad so far. So far, we're on the second day, so let's wait. We're not looking too bad on some of these stocks.
I was gonna
Apple
say, aren't you speaking
154.
just a little too quickly?
Looks like Apple might get that new high. Amazon has been completely killing it too. Look at the Amazon bounce on the 4 hour. I followed this one trader who trades options on Amazon. He made $500,000 on Amazon calls. 500,000. Morning, Pam.
Well, not necessarily. Depends on what kind of account he did it in, because then he's got taxes. So,
Oh, absolutely, yeah. He
and you
made.
got people.
Oh, there's
People
AMC.
say,
Oh, stop
"Oh,
losses
yeah,
are going off like crazy.
on what?"
AMC just hit 42.80. We were talking about a 43. We were talking about being patient and waiting to buy AMC at 43. The stop losses went off like nuts. It hit 42.78 right now, and it looks like we're still fighting here near the lows. I'm still waiting for a bounce here. This is acting very nuts today. There's a lot of volatility. GameStop is still kind of holding here, knock on wood, because if this is the case, maybe GameStop goes to 200, test 200 support. GameStop down $4 on 150,000 volume. Seems legit. What's going on, Damon? GSAT, great news. Feed me it.
I think Darth is saying it could actually go lower, like 189 or something like that.
GSAT shares are trading higher after the company received an additional advance payment of 37.5 million from a customer. They're gonna pay off some debt, huh? Look at this. Yesterday's article, why Global is falling, and this morning, why Global is trading higher. Gotta love that. AMC, are we bouncing? 42.94. Stop falling. This is already looking oversold. It needs to bounce. If we do pull back, we're gonna crack 42.50s. Let's set an alert there just in case. If not, we're gonna buy more. Big algo trade AMC GameStop rolled down from Friday's calls. I think this is just stop loss hunting. At $43, most definitely. There we go. Nice to see some green on here. But we saw green earlier we saw a bounce from 43.80 to 43.60. 43.08, I'm sorry, to 43.60. But the thing is, it did not sustain. That's the problem. That's what I mentioned earlier. Watch how these bounces sustain. If they don't, then it's gonna be painful today. Let's see Sava. What is Sava doing? Hit 54. Not bad. Zoom is
I
just
like
being
it.
poop. Support stock's actually moving today. It's up another 16%. The stock probably won't go away for a couple weeks, maybe. BBIG was another one yesterday that was halted. Those of you who are holding this stock, did you guys take some profits at least on BBIG, or are you guys still holding? Let me know. Games GameStop had I think Moran's did call this pullback though. These pullbacks on AMC and GameStop Thursday and Friday. I remember him saying that.
They do it every week.
I can't hear you.
I said, yeah, but they do it every week. That's why he called it.
Oh, what's
It's
happening?
historic. It's historical.
It's history. Morning, Crypto Bird. How do you like crypto? I think Bitcoin broke 50, no? Or slightly tapped 50. Let's see what is Bitcoin at. 50. It's actually at 50.1. I don't know because I haven't checked my Twitter. Let's see. It should be trending. Instagram down. Who cares about Instagram? Game day, Supreme Court. I'm trying to get some ADA, but I still think it's too expensive right now. I'll wait for the massive pullback before I hop on in. 43.17, nice little bounce here. We'll wait for new lows if we get new lows to add more. We should have had a run on GameStop up to at least $250 to $260. That's what I thought. I even thought AMC was above 50 was possible too. Bitcoin is closer to 100,000 than it is to zero. Sava above 54. Nice. We're waiting for a retest of $70 on Sava. So we're being patient on this one. And we're waiting for Zoom to come down to like 280s. I have like 3 alerts on here. Nice little bounce by AMC. Lovely. 43.28. I don't think ADA will go down. I actually think it's going to go up. I just wanted it to come down so I could get it cheaper. That's why. Let's take a look at the heat map. Not bad. $43.35. AMC continues to bounce. 38, 39. We got to sustain here now, guys. 40. Here we're back. We're back at 43.40s. I think we're about to go green on the day, too. We're going from green to red to green. 43 to 45, 47. I do think there's a possibility that it tests 43 again today. Keep on going. What's going on, Stacks a lot? Yeah, Eric, you did predict the AMC closing price of yesterday being 42.43. Have you seen any new DD on GameStop, Rob? I know you kind of surf the threads on there on Reddit. Hello?
Yeah, no, I
No?
haven't. There's nothing there hasn't been anything for days. It gets boring on the Reddits. So
Really?
yeah, I'm over there searching like Theta Gang and I'm looking at the options, seeing what they're playing as far, but not that I'm always playing options, but I'm just looking for what companies they're playing, just so I can have something to do.
I I I would personally think that there would be new DD every day. Like there'd be
Oh God,
something.
no. No, they're just rehashing rumors, and there's like let's see, what was it? Hard to think of one. Um oh yeah, going into the S&P 500. There's only like, I don't know, 20 different people posting the same crap, so I just start downvoting everything because
Oh wow.
first and foremost, they're just out there, farming karma because they don't bother to look and see if anybody else posted about it already. And on top of that, we can't even get into the S&P 500.
Profitable, no? For how many quarters or something like that? Is that the requirement?
Or
4?
or right. And so it doesn't matter if there's a secret committee voting. It's pointless. It's pointless to even talk
Who
about
is
it. The
it?
person, the people that wrote that article that drummed all this shit up, just trying to get people to talk and sound stupid.
Yeah, I do keep seeing some of the same posts all the time. I think people
I
just
do
don't
too.
realize. I think people just don't realize somebody had posted it before. Spy, I believe, just hit a new high, 450, 405.
So, I start seeing duplicate posts. Guess what? Downvote, downvote, downvote. I don't even bother to look.
What if it's Roaring Kitty?
I don't care. Downvote.
I see your
He's
messages, Darth.
No, you don't. I blocked him.
You blocked Darth?
Yeah, I banned him.
I see him here.
Why don't you ever work with me on this stuff?
Oh, you're trying to troll him?
Yes.
Does any does anyone remember or know how to find the short days to cover for GameStop back in January run? I don't. Do you know, Rob?
I'm sure there's about 5 million posts on it on Reddit somewhere. Just go online and go on there and search.
Eric says I think the AMC touches 39 to 41 today before Friday close 43 44. Higher close on Friday, so higher support for the week. That's always been the goal, higher lows. I don't know about a 40 test though. But as of now, we're still pulling back. We'll be patient. We'll be patient to rebuy this back at the lows. Rob's
Yeah, I
favorite
know
subreddit is Dogecoin.
you're gonna sit there and FOMO. I know you are.
Absolutely not.
Oh, yeah, you are. Don't lie.
Mm-mm. Come on,
You're the
Sava.
FOMO king.
Absolutely not. I'm cold-blooded.
Uh-huh.
Sava is holding 50 supports, and we're at 55. Let's see freaking 60 tomorrow and next week 70. Let's have a bounce
You know,
on
I don't
this.
I don't like you anymore.
Why? Because you're not gonna get filled in.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you might get a chance on AMC.
Yeah, what at 5? Oh, okay.
Maybe like next year, yeah. Stock Slot says $42 is pivotal. I mean, we hit 42.78. Did you, what? Oh, did you
Hey,
read the
Darth,
article?
I'm pretty sure it's Darth that's sitting there saying GameStop is like 189, 185.
Did you read the
Hopefully
article on
he'll.
the 80% for AMC? What exactly did it say?
Oh, I just started reading it and I kind of put it away. But it was like, I mean, first thing out, first sentence was, Adam Aaron, if you're reading this, you probably just want to go somewhere else or something to that effect. I mean, it was hilarious. But I can pull it back up real quick, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, AMC CEO Adam Aaron, leader of the AMC Ape Army, may want to skip reading the latest take on his company stock from one of the few remaining sell side analysts that covers the movie theater chain. Blah 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 blah. They wait. Hey, they're giving it more credit than I am. They said $6 a share.
I need to read it. I need to pull it up so I can have it in tomorrow's video. S3 Partners, Ehor just mentioned MMAT as the same Sui stock. This is another quote unquote distraction stock. Let's take a
Yeah,
look at
well,
Altex on this one.
I think MMAT is a merger, and I don't remember. One of them had a really high SI, and the other didn't, and so the SI kind of transferred across. But if I'm remembering this right, I don't know how high it was, and I'm not even sure if it's squozing yet.
Altex is saying the stock has 9% short interest for MMAT. I
I
don't
think
think that's
that's the
high enough.
I think that's the original company. I don't think it. I think it was Torch or something like that. That was the higher had the higher SI. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. If I am
But
misremembering
well,
this.
yeah, if that's a if it's a short squeeze stock and you look at the SI and it's 9%, there's something wrong. I think you're right. We're seeing a nice little double bottom here at 42.80, and we're seeing some demand there. We're seeing some buyers come in. Look at the spike we had here on AMC. Ralph, everyone was mad about that quick vid you put out yesterday.
Oh, get a sense of humor, people.
At this point, like it's just like I'm emotionless, you know?
Don't feel bad.
Yeah, there you go. Torchlight Energy merge with MMAT. There you go.
I was right. Wow,
Once again, Rob is right.
it's rare. How do I mute this thing?
You must have been the second one here, Darth. I had the last night watching the video. Said I was the only one after I closed it. Yeah, if you're the only one here on the chat, close the chat and just refresh the stream or something. What do you mean, C3D? Looks like AMC wants to crack 42.80s. What's going on here? Up. Spoke too soon. 42.73, a new low. Are we see some buyers coming here near the lows? Do we hit 42.50s? Because that's the next stop. Like we mentioned earlier, 42.50s. Nice. We're seeing some buyers coming on the lows. What do you think of BTCM? What is that? Bitcoin? Bitcoin mining? I'd rather just go with Bitcoin itself. If or a miner, you go with Rob's Mara. You still holding Mara or you sold out, Rob? You paper
No, I
handed.
hadn't. No, I haven't. I haven't sold it yet. I think I changed my order from myself from 50 to 48 this morning. I think
Don't make the same mistake twice.
I'm not. That's why I came down
Mm-hmm.
and I sold my HVB Hive HVBT yesterday for 340, and it looks like it's still going on a little bit of a run, but
Kyoto says you do that on purpose, Ralph. Um, you put out a bearish video the next day on AMC, it is going to the moon bullish video. If you actually watch the video, I was actually bullish, but the title was just kind of iffy, and I did that on purpose because, bro, it's YouTube, you know? Clickbait, catchy titles. It's YouTube. Come on.
clickbait, clickbait.
I could be like AMC's in the tank, and in the video I talk about AMC's going up. The last couple of videos we've been talking about AMC going up. I thought we were going to 50, to be honest, but we got rejected there. And I also did not expect the pullback this aggressive. AMC 4250, there we go. Tapped our little price target there. If we do keep on cracking, I don't want to see 41 today.
Phoenix nailed you.
Clickbait
Uh,
show.
all right,
Adam
Eric.
selling. Hey, how is that clickbait? I made a video talking about Adam selling his AMC. How is that FUD? He literally is selling his AMC stock. People just don't want to admit. And they're still gonna freaking ride Adam Aaron. They can all freaking. I don't even want. I can't see this on YouTube.
Yes, you can. Say it. Say it. I dare
No.
you. I dare you.
Nope. Absolutely
Chicken.
not.
Chicken.
Stock market opens immediate all-time highs. We live in a video game. This is the new normal. Oh wow, what do you know? We're bouncing off of 4250. Let's go to Twitter, see what people are talking about. This whale on Twitter has been talking about the collapse on Bitcoin for weeks and months now, and it just keeps on going higher. VIX, how about the VIX? 15.
Probably going down.
Yeah, 15.
Nothing makes sense. Not a damn thing.
I'm excited for GameStop earnings next week, though. I'm excited to see what happens. Up, new low, 42.51. There is still pressure on AMC. We're probably gonna go down a bit.
Oh,
More.
it cracked. It cracked.
Crack slightly. This is a pretty ugly drop, to be honest. GameStop 207. GameStop's probably gonna go to 200. Let's see. I still consider this
Well,
a healthy pullback.
Kyoto, no, it doesn't make sense because, well, the only reason it makes any sense at all is because we keep printing money like it's going out of style. We'll be able to use it for toilet paper because it'll be cheaper than toilet paper.
New low, 43. 41. The times in sales is just bloody right now. Look at this. Does anyone think the earnings per share for GameStop will be positive on earnings, or will it still be negative?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I think it's still going to be negative. I don't think it's going to be, what, minus 34, I think is what the analysts are saying, or 43 or whatever the hell. I think it's going to be better, but I think we're still going to be negative.
What you're saying is not. What you're saying is we're not gonna go to 1,000.
You mean Friday or Wednesday? No.
You are a shill, my friend.
I've been called worse.
I'm just playing with you.
You don't want me to
Zoom.
finish. You don't want me to finish that statement though.
Oh no, 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 I don't want to hear it. Come on, AMC. Times and sales is telling me otherwise, man. It tries to bounce, but there's pressure. If it's negative, it will be positive next quarter. Now that Sony has the chips for it needs for his PS5s, really.
I agree. Well, actually, next quarter is Christmas. It's their
Oh,
third
you're right.
quarter, so it's going to be a blowout quarter for them anyway. But yeah, next quarters, has all the holidays in it, so it's going to be a great quarter. It's historically a great quarter for them, and it will be positive and probably a blowout positive. And then first quarter of 2022, which is their fourth quarter, should be another good quarter, which should put them positive on the year. And then 2022, we might be eligible for S&P 500.
The new movies got delayed again.
Yes,
Top
sir.
Top Gun and Mission Impossible.
Yes, sir. And we're not talking just a couple of weeks.
Months?
Some of the new movies that were going to be released, 27-week delay I saw this morning.
It's not good. There literally isn't any good movies out right now.
Yeah, and that's not going to help AMC's bottom line.
Man spotted smoking a bong while floating in New York City floodwaters in viral video. What?
Movies being delayed. Oh my God.
Bro, this isn't even a bong. This is the hookah. What?
A hookah is a bong.
No, it's not. I wouldn't consider it a bong.
It's a water pipe. It is a bong.
I guess you're right. That's the debate of the day. Is a hookah a bong? But movies keep coming out on stream, don't they? I don't know. I don't watch the Disney Plus or Netflix. I don't even have a Netflix account. Movies being delayed is bullish for AMC. Oh man, anything's bullish for AMC.
Well, Kyoto, he is the biggest AMC pumper I have ever known.
Oh, Kyoto?
Yeah,
He's probably short on AMC.
no, he wants to do is he wants to buy Blockbuster and then pair it up with AMC and open up an AMC over in Japan.
AMC shutting down for COVID is super bullish and it will cause the MOAS. Anything will cause the MOAS now. AMC installing EV charging ports in their parking lots. That's positive.
They might need to install them inside the theaters. Might get some occupancy.
Inside. That counts, right? If you think about it. That counts.
It would be occupancy. That's what I'm saying.
Hookah is not a bong. See, that's what I thought. There was a water party in New York City yesterday. Hookah isn't a bong. They burn up the weed way too fast.
Oh my God.
Lovely bounce on
Uh,
AMC. Back to 43.
this is almost as bad as what happened on Core's stream yesterday.
What
He
was
he called he said the word marijuana, and then all of a sudden, oh man, his chat blew up. Don't call it marijuana. It's cannabis. And then Latin, people are saying Latinx, they don't like it because it was used to kind of take criminals. And I mean, oh good God, his stream yesterday went on for hours over this stupid shit. I was just laughing my
I,
ass off
I like how
because he didn't want
Moran's.
to he did not want to offend anybody. I'm like, dude, you're not gonna win this battle. I was just
It's
like,
just
just
weed. I like
just
how
say weed, yeah.
I like how Moran's calls it the hippie lettuce. What is it? Did he call it that? Hippie lettuce? Adam Aaron is doing another dilution is bullish. Really, C3D? The MC in Illinois has charging stations outside. Do they belong to them?
Doubt it. They might get a little piece of the charge, but they don't. It ain't theirs. I guarantee you that.
I love Kyoto. So we're seeing a nice little bounce here at 43, but is this a dead cat bounce here on the day? I don't know. I have my alert set at 42.40. I will re-enter this bad boy if we do crack and pull back. But the thing is, we're seeing lower highs here. We're still seeing lower highs. The devil's lettuce, Chiba, green,
I will
bud,
always call it
herb,
marijuana. I don't care who I piss off.
sticky icky. I've never heard it called like that. Sticky icky. New York extends eviction protection for renters until January 15. Spies pulling
Uh,
back.
I don't know that I ever will, Garden Gnome.
If GameStop hits 1,000 next week, will you?
No, it's illegal in Texas. I won't touch it. I'm not even sure I would if it was legal.
I forgot it was illegal in Texas. When I went over to Texas, I was thinking of, sneaking some over. Robert gonna bail me out. Robert would have bailed me out.
Excuse you? I would not be associated with a drug trafficker.
What about Delta? Hey, I've actually tried their products, Delta 8.
I have no idea what it is.
They're owned by no, actually I think they're are they owned by somebody else? Or is that the actual company? I thought they were owned by somebody else.
Well, I know nothing. I know nothing about that stuff.
Reddit bans vaccine skeptics subreddit known new normal. days after CEO said he wouldn't. Really? No new normal. Oh yeah, they did get banned. I'll hear it is a brand. Gardenum.
Well, Pam seems to know all about it. Hmm.
It's very popular. Delta 8. Nice bounce on AMC. Do we sustain this? Hopefully, man. Let's take a look at the spirit. Ooh, it's coming down. Pablo Escobar.
Oh, Phoenix, that's just mean. Funny, but mean.
It's not mean. I don't see it mean. Let's go to SPRT because I actually think it's gonna come down right now.
Oh,
That's some
wait,
alerts on this.
Garden Gnome's onto something. Uh, they're going to turn all the GMEs into head shops now.
Oh, the AMCs are not gonna start selling weed. AMC is now selling weed. Moas confirmed. Telling you.
I said,
And then the best part of all is they're gonna allow you to hotbox the theaters, and then you have the snack bar there when you get the munchies. Isn't that just a
hey, there
brilliant
you
idea?
know,
Isn't
that
that?
would not be, that would be a you ought to tweet that one to Adam Aaron.
I'm gonna tweet Adam Aaron, please allow us to hotbox theaters. If people don't want to go join, just separate the theaters. You have unlimited concession profits there,
There you go.
and then you could create your own strain, the AMC strain. What would you call it? The ape glue or
Uh,
something? I don't know. Ape Fest,
you
Ape
know,
Fest. Call the strain Ape Fest.
there you go. Yeah, Ape Fest.
Why am I not on the board of directors for AMC? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Rena, what's going on? It's been a minute. Grape Ape? Or they should call it the Moon Rocks. There you go. Actually, that actually is a strain out there, by the way. Moon Rocks. Grape Ape is already a strain. Morning, Ruben.
And actually, we have a the Grape Ape in Maranch's channel, I think, or is it in your channel?
Rena says loving the title of the stream. Oh, thank you. Should I change it to something else? Yeah, Moon Rocks is already a thing. And I'm telling you, they're gonna accept Dogecoin. How is that the ultimate, not the ultimate meme stock? Garden them with the Gorilla Glue. I'm telling you. Grape Ape on Marat's channel?
Yeah, there's a guy there's a guy called that his tag is the Grape Ape. So now I know where that came from. Even though there was a cartoon, God, how many years ago? 30, 40 years ago, I think, that had a character, the Grape Ape.
Is Moran
Yes,
still sick?
Phoenix.
Yeah, I would assume yes, because he's usually here in the mornings. He got hit with the Rona and food poisoning.
He said he said he wasn't planning on doing anything for a week. So
That is the ultimate trigger for Moas. Moran's not streaming. Certainly
now
been a minute.
that's something I have not heard you say in a long, long, long time.
Me?
Yeah.
What, Moas?
No, we like the stonk.
Oh, you introduced me to listening to live streams. A lot of people here. Oh, BBIG's actually pulling back. A lot of the newer folks here don't know the history of the song of "We Like to Stock." I remember those days.
Phoenix, no. If he was, He was supposed to go get it today, if I recall, or maybe it was yesterday, but I don't think they'll give it to him now that he's already contracted it.
Did those drive-in calls ever work out? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Drive-in calls? Oh yeah, there would always be somebody calling me during power hour at the same time. I think it was some random telemarketer. They would call me at the same time every day, and we'd always joke around that it was Jim Cramer.
And it
People,
wasn't no joke. We know that you shill for him.
no, I don't. BBIG pulling back.
That's exactly what a shill would say. No, I don't.
What am I supposed to say? I show for Jim Cramer. He is my uncle. Is Jamer still alive? Yes, he's sitting right here. I think he means back when Rob was more bullish on drive-ins than he was an AMC.
What do you
Oh,
mean? What do you mean back when? I still am.
I have not burnt the orange spacesuit. The orange spacesuit is a piece of history. 20, 30 years from now, the not so distant future, maybe I'll put it back on. I remember a combo about Robert Brown going off about drive-in movies. Oh, he's more
Yeah,
you're more in favor of drive-ins, right?
but
Huh?
I said you bet. I
Oh,
sure am. Two movies for the price of one, and the tickets are $7, and
social distancing.
concession the concessions are cheaper. And if I want to, I can bring my own grill and grill. I can bring my own food
Your
and
own
my own drink.
gorilla? Oh,
Grill. But I'm sure if I wanted to pay $7 for a gorilla to sit, to watch a movie with me, I'm sure they'd allow it.
that is the trigger for the AMC squeeze. Adam Aaron needs to start selling gorillas. That's what they need to do. And yesterday he talked about he's gonna donate to that one fund again from Wall Street Bets. Fosse, I think it's called.
Yeah, the gorilla fund.
Yeah. So that's nice of him. Yeah. Friday, September 24 is World Gorilla Day. So on 9/24, rent any of the 9 Planet of the Apes movies on AMC theaters on demand. We will give all of the $3.99 proceeds to the DN Fosse Gorilla Fund. And he links the website.
Diane.
Well, Diane and and the Wildlife Conservation Society. SPRT is still coming down. And I replied to his tweet. It's also the day when you sell your AMC stock. I got so much hate. And yesterday I replied to one of the Trey's tweets. I put AMC's tanking Trey, and he quoted and he replied, "No, it's not. This is the test of the." I forgot what he replied.
Oh yeah, he was like, and then he's talking, and I think I saw a tweet. For some reason, Twitter brought this up to me.
I tweeted at
Trey's,
him.
and he's like, "Oh yeah, this is the third test of whatever. Y'all get ready." And
Yeah,
I'm sitting here watching this thing go down, down, down. I'm like, dude, I'm thinking that wasn't the third test of a high.
I don't know if people think like this. This is my account. People are saying like, "Oh, this is your burner account." Oh, look, this is the one. I put AMC's tanking, and he put not tanking. It's following a pattern. The zone I outlined in yesterday's video for a potential pullback today was 43.60, whatever. Believe it or not, this whiplash back and forth loads the spring. Patience. And then like all the comments, FUD. Oh, someone replied, "Bill, enough with the patterns. Lab my ass off. You're gonna look dumb when it drops below 40. Let it be chill, buy and hodl."
So buy what? Puts? Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know either, but I know somebody's making money on puts. Ain't me.
What hit movie comes out that day? For what? Oh, it's just the replay of the Planet of the Apes
Any one of you can I guess stream.
for $4, I believe. I don't
Yeah,
freaking I don't have the AMC on demand.
they said 390. You said it was 399, but I think it was rent this. You can rent the movie on their stream, I guess.
Forgot when you used to buy the Dodgy lunch. I don't know what you mean. The Arby's? Who this is about one put for 45? But all these swings on
Hey,
AMC are being too predictable now. Remember the rigged prices? The rigged
hey,
prices were at $14. I remember that for sure. That was just barcoding the whole day.
Eric, if they do a 500 to 1 reverse split, yeah, you'll get 500K a share.
Yeah, it was Arby's. That was the last time I ever went. First and last. Eric, you're a show, you know it's 5 million.
Oh God, I'm glad we can joke around and everybody realizes we're joking around on days like this because today sucks.
Yeah, today.
It's,
I mean, yesterday we were just
it's
kind of flat for the most of the morning. We're talking about vaccine conspiracies and the freaking rubber and metal and found and Moderna vaccine.
yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, we went off the rails yesterday. We're going off the rails today.
Off the
I mean,
rails, huh?
what else can you do? You sit there and cry? No, let's just joke around and have a good time.
I shot low because I see realistically going to 500K. See, I don't know if you're being serious right now.
No, he's joking around too. I mean, I think Eric does have some AMC shares, but I don't think he's that irrational.
How can you have a free market when 50% of the trades from retail go to the dark pool and not the lit exchange rigged? Didn't Gensler
Uh,
tweet about that? I think Gensler
let's see.
confirmed.
Julio, anytime I get close to 20 to 25%, I start cashing out. So that's just me because I like making a profit. Um, you do you.
I mean, yeah, it is September. We're 9 months of just constant AMC and GameStop of the stock. Can you imagine another 9 months of this stock? Yeah, Gensler did confirm that, right, Scott? I'm not tripping out. I think Gensler actually did confirm that. Why is my headset squeaking? I'm expecting a run this month. Not bad. AMC back above 43. Looks like we were oversold at this point near 42.50s. So it's nice to see the stock bounce to the low of yesterday. We'll see what happens. Do we get rejected here? Pull on back. I'm gonna set a couple of alerts. AMC. Okay, I set the wrong alert actually. Okay, there we go. I paper handed at 20%. It's no such thing as
No,
paper
he's
hands. You took profits, baby. You
look,
did the right thing.
look at it again. It has a negative sign in front of it.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. I paper
Yeah,
handed a negative 20%. I thought you meant to put
you,
like hyphen 20%, like cash in
yeah,
20%, not negative 20%.
yeah, you and Morantz both kind of gloss over things sometimes.
Yeah,
It's really
sometimes
funny.
I skip words or sometimes I'll just assume
Yeah.
like the Diane. I just make up.
Uh-huh.
I have my own language. If you guys want to learn, let me know. Mon Most Monday and Tuesdays are. Oh, I'm reading Gensler's tweet. Somebody replied. Oh, this guy is saying the same thing as Morantz. This guy replied 21 minutes ago to Gary Gensler. Most Monday and Tuesdays are green. Thursdays and Fridays are red. Wednesday is green if S&P is down. Wednesday is red if S&P is high. They're manipulating the price. They're not allowing a gamma squeeze to happen. Pure corruption and Gensler is allowing it. BBIG is going off like crazy. We pulling back. We getting halted on the. Ooh, that's a nasty candle here on BBIG. Telling you guys, a lot of these stocks that you see rallying right now are not going to be sustained like AMC and GameStop. They're going to end up like Clover stock. They're going to
No,
be gone.
they are pump and dumps. They are designed to take retail money and divert retail away from the ones that are actually being held or the ones that are actually inside these swaps.
Speaking of BlackBerry, huh? Clover's doing the opposite. What do you know? Well, we were at 28. We're now down at $8. Huh. That's interesting. GameStop is just dead right now. There's no volume on this.
Okay, you need to start charging, Eric.
Where did everybody go? Check Ortex on Clover. That'll be $5, sir. Clover,
Start taking it
Tesla.
in donations.
I haven't said Tesla in a minute. Clover is 15.9 SI according to Ortex. AMC's waking up here. 43.50. Low was pumping Clover a month ago.
Lou.
Lou on Wall Street. That's the guy, right?
I don't know. I think he's one of the fat ones. Oh God, Eric,
Oh,
we
he
were
was he
kidding.
was the guy who was calling the other guy fat, right? No, I was just messing around with you,
I
Eric. You
think
don't have to
I
donate.
think they were I think they were both calling each other fat.
He's like, you're fat. No, you're fat. Who was the other guy? The ape father, ape Andy. You guys talk about?
It wasn't not Ape Andy is not the ape father. Oh God, don't tell me he's changed himself to ape father because he's not. He was so far. He was so late getting to this. It's not even funny.
This $5 is going to the refund on Rob for the Ortex because I'm using Rob's account for Ortex. What was it, $600 a year?
Something like that.
I legit think Lou is a paid shill. And it's interesting to see how all these random YouTubers came in out of nowhere, right? Like you're having a lot. I think a lot of them are plants.
Hey, I'm a paid shill, so there.
Well, I'm freaking Jim Cramer's nephew. What about that?
You got me beat.
AMC just went green on the day. Just went green. That's a nasty erection here on the green candle for AMC. Love to see that. Is Lou still around? I think so. The only YouTuber I trust is Ralph and Me. Me Kevin has been around for a long time too. I actually
Hey
stopped
Phoenix.
watching Me Kevin ever since his campaign.
Hey Phoenix, you would like Morantz if you ever get the opportunity to walk. Oh, okay. You did mention Morantz finally. Okay.
Ron's is the only other live stream I really just chime in and just join. And I'm scared to leave because I always miss out on the laughs he'll give me. I'm always like, if I leave now, I'm gonna miss out on a good laugh.
Oh, dude, he's at it all day long. He
Yeah.
really is. I love the guy because I mean we'll be talking about stocks and then somebody will drop something in the chat and he's off
Yeah.
on a tangent and
Yeah.
he's over there for 10, 15 minutes and I'm like, dude, I love it.
Matt said hello. Hello, Matt. Mm, 4380s, baby. Are we back to 44 here? Me, Kevin only bought AMC because he was bullied into it and he wanted votes. That is when I started not liking the guy. He literally bought AMC to get votes. And he said he would verify his position when people
Oh,
asked him,
boy.
and they never asked him. So he could have sold out.
Oh, I figured out how to ban on my phone, Boker.
I can't wait till Robert starts the Uncle Brown channel. A and Y and AMC have the same chart. A and Y was another one we talked about last week, right? This one? This one's actually having another. Getting excited here. 808. Why do I feel like this is some of the shorts covering on AMC?
You know, if I were to start a channel, it wouldn't be bagels or anything like that. It'd be beers.
Beers with
So
Bobby.
yeah, there you go.
How is Moderna and Pfizer going up? It's going up because they found metal particles in the vaccine. What is it, mRNA? PFE?
Actually, Moderna and Pfizer are going up because I think the CDC has gone ahead and given approval for booster shots. As far as saying, yeah, do it. And I think that's what's gone on because I saw something about Pfizer this morning and getting approval for boosters.
Beers and cheers with Brown.
I like that one
Oh,
better.
that's too long.
Beers and cheers.
Like it has to be super. It just has to flow off the tongue. Beers with Bobby. I like that one. Or bongs with Bobby. You got a
Hey
sub
Pam,
here, Rob.
you gonna you come out to the river this weekend? Huh? It's a long weekend,
Cook
nothing
up some
going on.
ducks. Cook up some ducks. I am pro. Oh my God, AMC above 44. Beers and ducks.
I don't give a. Oh God, I like that. All
I actually did
right,
buy the Rafiki, the little toy. Watch. Like
oh
I
wait,
have the
I'm
Rafiki
a
toy right
boomer.
here.
Well, I'm almost a boomer.
Then I have Mr. Little
Start
Jamer still
looking at
alive.
bonds and bonds with Bobby or Bobby bonds.
Bitcoin with Bobby.
What the hell happened? Hang on.
Oh man, sex alive. Bongs with Bob. Let's go to, I haven't checked the Ortex data for AMC. Let's take a look. Please don't be at 17% still. And it's at 17.32%. I didn't make the toy. I bought it like 3 months ago, 4 months ago. I also have the GameStop banana. We should probably raffle the banana out, huh? Up, this former pension manager, hedge fund manager, Goldman Sachs is long A and Y this stock. I gave you a BBIG and an SPRT now, I'm telling you. ANY is the next big short squeeze play. Borrow cost is 78%. Plus, it's a Bitcoin play and has a merger coming up just like SPRT did. And the chart looks identical to SPRT before its big run. He tweeted this 14 minutes ago. That's right around the time it ran. Did he pump this? 7:13 a.m. he tweeted. Literally, the time this candle blew up. Manipulation confirmed. I kid you not. Look at this. 7:13 a.m. Twitter for iPad.
And what is that on?
Has a lot of followers too. Hmm.
What stock is that?
ANY. Any.
Oh,
This one we're talking about last week. Someone brought this up last week. I think
yeah. Was it last week or early this week? I remember somebody putting it in there, and I remember you looking at
it
it.
was on Monday because this is the run up we had at $7. It was on Monday for sure.
Actually, I would probably say something a little more crass than that, Eric.
If you ain't first, you suck. If you ain't first, you're last.
Oh, actually, I'd say something like, "If you ain't first, you a little."
No news articles. The market is gonna slow down a bit. Tesla, Apple coming down. Sava coming down. You might get your 48. Zoom coming down. That's exactly the quote, Eric.
I'm pretty sure I've said that a number of times to different people. May have even said it. I may have even said it to that guy that's on the other side of that glass in the bathroom.
To yourself.
Hey, you were quick on that. Good job.
I'm a big brain. Oil is ripping now, 70 plus. How about gold though? Yeah, gold. I mean, oil is indeed ripping. I remember Kathy was saying that gold, oil wasn't going higher.
Yeah. I think she just said that recently.
She said that recently, right? I'm not imagining stuff.
Yeah. I mean, it was. I want to say it was like this week, if not yesterday.
No, 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 no. I'm talking like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Spider Zero? I think we're getting hacked here. Look at this lag on the AMC chart. Hmm. Hoping for a major market crash this month. Maybe you'll get it. September. Bloody September. I saw a post that said we're either tanking hard or we're going up 9% this month.
CNBC had a guy on today that said 4 to 8% correction, and I'm just sitting there going 4 to 8 or 48.
Hmm. I thought that was last week, Damon. The GSAT. The Apple was last week. Today was a cash advancement. Mm, from the looks of it now, there might be a possible 45 retest coming today. Let's get that. Get the F out of my house. Ripple is moving. The only crypto I'm interested in is actually Cardano for long term.
Every time I hear Ripple, I start thinking about the alcohol,
There's an
the
alcohol
wa-
called Ripple.
yeah, yeah. It's. I think it's a wine, and
Oh,
it's so it's not even. I mean, it's you're gonna pray for death from the hangover.
Ripple wine. That's early 1900s, really? Uh, It says 1970s. Rob used to bootleg it back in the day.
Oh, I hate you people sometimes. Oh,
So I don't know what Thunderbird is. Sounds like a vehicle.
no, well, no, it's another. Thunderbird was another really cheap alcoholic beverage.
From the 1980s. It sounds like a vehicle, Thunderbird. Is that a card? I mean, a car?
Yeah, there's a car that's the Thunderbird.
Oh, yeah, 2002 Ford Thunderbird. I think that's a sign to buy some Ford stock. Didn't you want to buy Ford?
Oh, I did, but I was at the time. Let's see, what was it? I think it was like $7, and Ford $7 to $8, and Ford always moves slow, and I was in other things that were moving faster. So I just, yeah, I mean, I will eventually own it when I finally sit down and go with nothing but strong economy stocks and weak economy stocks. Just ones that are going to survive. But right now, I'm not doing that because
You're
I got
fooling.
about I got about $50 million I want to make, and you ain't gonna make it on Ford.
Yep.
Now,
You're,
your great grandchildren might, but you won't.
we'll see, we'll see. You can drink it or start your car with it. Oh, ANY is still moving. New high on ANY, 845. This is the next short squeeze Canada, guys. Being pumped on Twitter. The all-time high was the 870s from the looks of
just
it.
just just GME, Rena. Now, if I was to do puts on AMC, I could probably make it a lot faster.
Ooh.
See how many people I piss off right there.
Robert has a yard full of Fords. Really?
No, I've only got two. I've got a 1998 Ford. Uh, shit, what is it? Not the Expedition. What is it, Robert? I've got the V8, and then I got the 2002 V6 Explorer. That's what it is.
Hmm.
Oh, I want to start.
Rob was one
I
of those
want.
buyers of the Model T. I want a Model T.
I just want to start banning people. I really do.
That's where Elon got his inspiration from, like Model S, Model X. AMC moving, baby. 4423. See,
Yeah,
these grips
Ravenstown.
here are very odd.
Yeah, Ravenstown. We were talking about that here a little while ago, and the guy said his price target is $6, which actually gives, he's being more generous than I am.
Exploder or Explorer?
But I mean, he downgraded it like he says it's like 85. It should be
80.
85. It should lose like 85% or 89% or some shit
See,
like
that's
that.
a very catchy headline. When I saw that headline, I'm like, wow. Let's see.
Yeah,
Like it said
I
AMC
mean,
deserves to tank
yeah,
80%. Let's
it
see.
was brutal. That
Yeah.
headline was brutal.
Look at this. AMC stock deserves to crash 87%. It deserves. That's a very strong word. Poor Rob, I can only imagine how annoying it was to have to get out and crank the motor to start.
Oh, I want to start. Oh, people.
My Taurus has 210,000. What is that? What brand is that? Tourist. Ford, I would assume.
Yeah. Hey, both of those Fords I've got 300,000 miles on the original, all original equipment. Uh, so Ford knows how to make their shit right, which is why I like them.
Even like the old Honda Civics, I think people would say that those would run like new at like 200, 300,000 miles on the odometer. The Ford, no, 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 no. The Toyotas, they wouldn't let him have the Model E. So yeah, it's a three reversed. 4469. Toyota Camry, I think it was. That's an upgrade from saddling up the horse and buggy.
Wait a minute, the Helix, isn't that a foreign manufacturer like England and let's say Central America pickup truck?
My Nikola
I think I,
truck has
re-
150,000 on it. Nikola truck.
I think I,
They actually
I
had
think I
some news
rented it.
today. Nikola actually had some news today. I think it's going up, or it was pre-market up, and then people dumped it. 1168. AMC's just squeezing here. 4478. Where's that 45? Close to 45 test we were talking about.
Damon, don't do that again. That's the third time you've posted that, Podna. You're maybe taking your time, but now you're spamming. Next one you go next one you get a timeout. The one after that you get banned.
The 80s, I'm assuming you meant Toyota. It stacks a lot. Pickup from Back to the Future or Immortal. Indestructible trucks. It's a Toyota, right? They keep pumping A and Y. A and Y is the next SPRT. I just hit a new high.
Look at Almo being bossy. What the hell? Oh, and haven't done it yet, so okay, he caught me.
Hit that like button.
Yeah.
Hit that like button, baby. It helps out the channel, guys. Toyota Helix. It was called something different here in the States. Never heard of that.
Yeah, I think I rented one when I was down in Nicaragua. It does run real well. Good truck.
It looks like an EV. What was that ugly car we were talking about like a month ago?
Uh, a Tesla?
Oh, that was a good one. Hey, when we were in Texas, you and I saw a Model X parked at the outside of the restaurant, and you were like, Wow, that's a
It
nice
wasn't,
car.
yeah. The interior was I mean, I did like the dash. I gotta say that. And those wheels were a little bit oversized, actually a lot oversized. But I mean, I guess that was standard. And they looked all right. The body,
Yeah, the stream's all messed up. People are messing up on. People are typing in the chat. They're not able to see any messages. Showing 2 likes. Nissan Cube. They still make the cubes, right? The Nissan Cubes. I remember those cars.
I I think they're still manufactured. I can't say I've seen one in a while though.
Oh man, what's going on, Smiley? Welcome back, Smiley. I forgot about the Top Shots. I've been having my portfolio with the NFT Top Shots, and I just forgot about it. I forgot to buy the new ones because I think they have like high requirements. Is anybody here
They've got
familiar
it.
with the Top Shots? Remember that?
It's been a minute. Why is he still a mod if he hasn't been around for like 4 months?
He's been busy. Oh, it hasn't been 4 months. Probably been like a
I
month.
know, I'm giving him shit.
Cube isn't. Yeah, the cube isn't being made, huh? You got locked up or something? No, Smiley was actually like the one who got me in touch with Godpill. He's the one who got me in touch with Godpill. The one and only.
Oh, so when's that bout between you and Godpill anyway?
I don't know. Like a boxing match?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's not fair. I'm like 3 times his size. He's like 110 pounds. I'm like, I'm 240 pounds. 250 actually, I think. The cube is still around. I got an fender bender. Oh, really? Nissan, right? They're still around, but they stopped making them in 2019.
Sorry to hear that, Smiley. I had it twice as well, and then I went and got the jab anyway.
Bigger fight. Tyson.
Well, who would be the one biting? I would guess that would be Godpill. Ah, so you're going my track. I'm like, okay, I've had this thing twice. First time I wished for death. Second time sucked. It was just like the flu. I'm not going through this shit again. So yeah, uh-huh. I understand.
I'll still take on him, Saxel. I'll take on anybody. I'll box anybody. Morantz has been heavy on the boxing lately. He's been aggressive. He really wants to fight that one YouTuber. What's his name? Review Dork?
No, no, he doesn't want to, but he won't back away from one if somebody
You
wants.
know he wants to. I know he wants to.
I don't think so.
That'd be like the ultimate. You know how they do the YouTubers boxing and stuff? And they're selling now arenas and making millions and millions of dollars with the pay-per-view. Telling you, that's the new wave. YouTube
Kyoto's
boxing.
Kyoto's
You should put Trey and Godpill in the ring.
Kyoto's trying to wish bad things on me. Can I ban him?
Or are you still gonna catch it again and it's gonna suck? You won't catch it again, maybe.
Well, you don't sound very confident.
Because the only reason I say that was because Joe Rogan actually got it like 2 days ago, and he's fully vaxxed. See, Joe Rogan, a podcasting giant who has been dismissive of the vaccination, has COVID. Wait, no, he hasn't. These
If
headlines
he's
are
been
all off.
if he's been dismissive of the vaccination, he hasn't been vaxxed. So
He
there.
is. I swear he's
Ah,
vaxxed. It's taking improvement deworming medicine. Wait, no. He is vaxxed. Joe Rogan.
well, just wait till Lambda and Mu start showing up because they're now talking about the Mu variant.
I saw that yesterday. I actually sent the article from CNBC. The Moo.
So there's two variants, and Delta's actually been pretty tame down here in Texas, but It's kicking the shit out of the East Coast and the West Coast. Those Democrats must, it must. Oh, wait, Delta Democrat. That's what it is. It's going for the Democratic states. So let's start the conspiracy theory that Republicans are responsible for it.
The Delta strain came from the vax.
Oh, good God. No, it came from Republicans.
Lambda is in Japan. Delta Plus, you get free peanuts and movies with the upgrade. Yes, you do actually. You get free fucking tequila too, or alcohol. I think Pam can verify that for me. All right, guys, I gotta do homework, man.
Wait, I thought this was bell to bell.
You thought. Thought wrong. I need to make my own NFT.
Well, that's okay, Smiley. I've never recovered my sense of taste. At least, you can sit there and go, you can't smell those dirty ass truck drivers and everything. I just can't taste food.
Ralph Coin is next. I'm trying to make the shit NFT. Telling you right now, it's a bubble. Literally every price of any NFT is going up.
And no, we've already decided on the name. It's Castaneda coin.
No, absolutely not. I'm not having my name on that.
Oh yes.
Hey, GameStop and AMC are green, man. We went from red to green today. Tested 42, which in this case is still a higher low. It's not bad. So yeah, guys, we're gonna end it here. We're gonna be back tomorrow, Friday. And yeah,
Oh, there we go, Darth.
my guessing
Rafiki,
Rafiki
Rafiki
Rupel.
Ripple. No, Ripple.
What is that? Whose currency is that?
Well, that'd be yours.
Isn't that
That's
no?
gonna, that's gonna be your coin. Oh yeah.
Interesting. India, there you go. Thank you.
Oh, Castronaut
Or is that
coin.
rupees?
It's rupees. Yeah, that's India. That's India. Ruble is Russian. Rupee is Indian.
I'm getting them confused. See, now I need to know or else it's gonna bother me. Rupees. Rupees is India.
And ruble is Russian.
A and Y is above. Holy smokes, A and Y still making you highs. Ah, yeah, Russian. Ruble.
Why didn't you buy A and Y? Huh?
It's a pump and dump. The rough yen. Forgot about that stock, Fubo. Had to cancel my membership because they were finessing me. They were charging me $300 for add-ons I'd never added on. I'm like, what's going on here? The Jamer coin. That's a good one. All right. Let me know your closing price estimates. What do you guys think AMC will close at? My guess is 44. I'm calling it 44,
One,
baby.
$1 trillion.
Why didn't you say 2 trillion? You're a shill. I knew it. Knew you were a shill. If you bought calls yesterday, you could have paid the
No,
300.
I cannot freaking win. I say
Rena's
five. I say $5. I'm a shill. I say $1 trillion. I'm a shill. Jesus.
GameStop 225, AMC 45, medium DSP says 42, Rena says 48. Wow. Let's set an alert there. Eric says 39 to 41. Eric is the one who called it yesterday. You called the closing price yesterday right at bell. I mean, right at open. You said it was closing at 42, 43, and it closed exactly at that range. So I'll set an alert here just in case you see.
Well, I'm gonna say, it'll close up, down, or kind of sideways.
Yeah, trust
Yeah.
me. Trust me. AMC's either going up, down, or sideways. That's it. 408,000. See your show, Phoenix. It's going to 500,000. All right. What's the price for the correct price? I was thinking even prize. Um, I think I might have like one hidden AMC gift, one or two AMC gift cards just in my drawer that I just forgot about that I
Yeah,
never used. They're just there.
they expired already.
No, they probably take like I don't think they expire. I still have all of the ones I gave out before because I never threw them away.
Yeah, they do.
Gift cards do not expire, do they?
The AMC gift cards do. You don't use them within a week.
A week?
Yeah, they got to keep that money.
You get a PS5 box of rocks. All right, we're gonna end it here, guys. We're gonna be back tomorrow, Friday. I see if Rob wants to join us tomorrow. When have I ever said no?
Exactly. Have I ever said no? I did. I take that, because I keep saying that, but I do remember I did say no one
Hey, you told
time.
me no like a couple times, and it hurt my heart.
I was in Oklahoma City, dealing with my
Oh yeah,
ex-mother-in-law
absolutely.
in the hospital with COVID. So I did say no, during that time, but
And I think
I
still around the time you still wanted to go live.
did, but it was not.
Yeah,
I wasn't going to dealing with family. So
yeah, I understand. Oh, Pam says, let me know, Rob, if you go to the river.
I'm already out here. I was setting up camp until Ralph started talking to me
Send me a
again.
picture of the ducks.
Okay. Well, they're not around right now, but I will. No problem.
Let me
But
let
yeah,
me
I'm out here.
let me set up the invite for the Discord.
Yeah, you need to do that because I can't copy and paste on my phone.
I got it.
I did bring this up, but it's not set up yet.
Here's the free Discord, guys. So just join the free Discord. We're gonna be on in there, and we're gonna end it right now. So with that being said, I'll see you guys. We will see you guys
Okay,
tomorrow.
you're gonna donate $10 to him or something like that. Is that what
At
1,000 yen comes to, or is that $1?
1,000.
1,000 yen, I think, is like $1.50 or $2 or something like that. 'Cause
909. Hey Alexa, buy 1,000 Dogecoin. Oh, you're not at home, huh?
no, I'm not. Ha ha ha. Good try
Alexa,
though.
buy 1,000 Dogecoin ASAP. Yeah, send me some
Uh,
pesos. Send me some
I
of that
would hurt
Mexican currency.
I would hurt you.
All right.
Oh,
All right. A and Y just hit 949. Nutty.
oh, Phoenix, that's you. All right, you're oh,
All right.
oh,
We're gonna end it here before
you
Robert
better
bans
run,
everybody.
son.
Peace
You
out.
better run.
Peace out, everybody. Oh,
I got him. Later.
Peace out, everybody.